Before you buy any ammo reloading kit, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most kits assume you already know what you're doing. But if you're new, you'll waste money on the wrong tools or skip steps that ruin your brass. Today, I'm showing you the 5 best reloading essentials that actually solve real problems, not just look good on a shelf. Product number 1: Lyman 51st Reloading Handbook. If you're serious about reloading safely, this isn't just a book, it's your lifeline. The Lyman 51st Edition Reloading Handbook costs $32.09 and might seem basic, but here's why it matters. Every safe load starts with verified data. This handbook includes tested recipes from multiple major manufacturers, so you're not guessing. Over 900 people bought this last month, and for good reason. Reloading without trusted data is like driving blind. Now, some people complain it's just a book and not a physical tool. Here's the thing though, no press, die, or tumbler matters if your powder charge is wrong. This book prevents catastrophic mistakes. This is perfect for you if you're loading your first round or switching calibers. Skip this one only if you already own the latest edition, otherwise it's non-negotiable. For $32, it's the cheapest insurance you'll ever buy. Product number 2: Frankford Arsenal Walnut Media. Clean brass is safe brass, and this walnut media from Frankford Arsenal makes it easy. Priced at $33.83 for up to 18 pounds, it's designed to scrub dirt, powder residue, and carbon out of your cases without damaging them. Unlike cheap alternatives, this media is uniform in size and density, so it tumbles evenly and lasts longer. You just pour it into your tumbler, add a little polish if needed, and let it run. It works wet or dry, and you can reuse it dozens of times. Now, some reloaders say it gets dusty or breaks down faster than ceramic media. Here's the thing though, walnut is gentler on brass and won't overpolish thin walls, which is crucial for precision shooting. Plus, it doubles as shooting bag filler. This is perfect for you if you're tumbling 50-100 cases at a time and want reliable, low-maintenance cleaning. Skip this if you're doing high-volume wet tumbling with stainless pins, but for most home reloaders, this is the sweet spot. At under $35, it's a no-brainer for clean, consistent brass. Product number 3: Fit2Print Bullet Reloading Tray. This red plastic tray from Fit2Print costs $25.67 and solves a problem you didn't know you had: chaos at the reloading bench. It holds 50 casings securely, has dedicated slots for primers and bullets, and keeps everything within reach. Made from durable PLA plastic, it won't warp under normal use, just keep it away from heat. Now, some users complain it's too light and tips over if bumped. Here's the thing though, it's meant to sit on a stable surface, not get kicked around. If you're careful, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you reload at home and hate fishing for primers or mixing up bullets. Skip this if you're constantly on the move or need metal durability. But for under $26, it's a small price for sanity at the bench. Product number 4: Ludex Case Length Gauge. Overlength cases are dangerous, they won't chamber, can cause jams or worse. The Ludex Case Length Gauge at $25.67 fixes that. This metal gauge measures up to 70 common cartridges with laser-etched fade-proof markings. You drop a case in, and if it sticks out, you know it needs trimming. It's fast, accurate, and built from hard alloy for long-term use. Now, some reloaders say it's too small or hard to read in low light. Here's the thing though, the etching is crisp, and the compact size makes it easy to store. Just keep it on your bench with a small light. This is perfect for you if you reload high-volume pistol or rifle rounds and want to avoid chambering issues. Skip this if you already have a digital caliper and trimmer setup, but for quick checks, this is faster. At $26, it's a tiny tool with a big impact on safety. Product number 5: Frankford Arsenal Rotary Tumbler Kit. If you're tired of dull, dirty brass, this rotary tumbler kit from Frankford Arsenal is a game changer. At $215.73, it's the most expensive item here, but it includes everything: the 3.3L tumbler, stainless steel media pins, and a spill-proof separator tub. It cleans up to 300.223 cases at once, inside and out, including primer pockets. Now, some users complain it's loud or takes up space. Here's the thing though, the motor is maintenance-free and the noise is just part of the process. If you reload regularly, the time and effort saved are worth it. This is perfect for you if you process 100+ cases weekly and want deep, consistent cleaning. Skip this if you only reload occasionally, but for serious reloaders, it's the best investment you can make. So which one's right for you? The Lyman Handbook is your safety foundation. Frankfurt's Walnut Media keeps brass clean on a budget. The fit-to-print tray brings order to chaos. Ludex's gauge prevents dangerous overlength rounds. And the Frankfurt Rotary Tumbler, that's for when you're serious about volume and shine. You don't need all 5, but missing the right one could cost you time, brass, or worse. Pick the tool that fixes your biggest headache and reload smarter.